Did you know that a study permit and visa are two different things? Many don't. Knowledge of these little things can sometimes help save a lot of your time and energy. Let us explain everything to you. Hello everybody, welcome to Leap Scholar, India's #1 study abroad platform. Your one-stop destination to get expert counselling, scholarships, applying to colleges and IELTS coaching. Subscribe to our channel and fulfill your study abroad dream. In this video, you will find everything you need to know about the Canada study permit application process, the documents that you need, and how you can make this process easier for yourself. A study permit is a document that is issued to foreign nationals who want to study in Canada. A study permit is not a visa. It doesn't help you get into the country. For that, you also need a visitor's visa and an electronic travel authorization. Once your study permit is approved, your visa is also issued along with it. If you want to study in Canada, you must ensure that you are enrolled in a designated learning institute. You must have enough money to pay for your tuition, your living expenses, and a return transport from Canada. Have no criminal record. Be in good health. Prove that you will leave Canada once your course is finished. You might not be allowed to study in Canada. Most of us need to get a study permit to study in Canada. But let's also discuss situations where you don't need one. You don't need a study permit if you want to study in a program that lasts 6 months or less, if you are a family member or a staff member of a foreign representative to Canada, if you are a member of a foreign armed services on official duties in Canada, if you are a registered Indian in Canada, even if you are a citizen of another country. You will need a study permit even if you are studying in Canada for 6 months but want to pursue a program that lasts longer, and if you are the child of a parent working in Canada but you are soon about to turn 18. Be careful that if you leave Canada while studying, you will have to prove that you are enrolled in your school while coming back to Canada. A lot of students who forget this detail face a lot of problems while getting entry back into Canada. Your visitor's visa and your electronic transport authorization must still be valid while you enter back into Canada. Now let's discuss the most important thing. What all documents do you need while applying for a study permit? You will need an original or electronic copy of your admission letter along with your study permit application. A valid passport and travel documents of family members who will travel to Canada with you. 2 recent passport-sized photos along with your name and date of birth on the back. For financial proof, you can use a Canadian bank account in your name, a guaranteed investment certificate, bank statements of the past 4 months, a bank draft, proof of paid tuition and residence fees, or a letter of your sponsor as proof. In most cases, you will also have to give your biometrics. Pay your biometric fees and submit your application. This is when you will receive a letter telling you how and when to give your biometrics. After this, you're all set. Once your application is approved, you will receive a port of entry letter of introduction stating that you can study in Canada. Take this letter with you and show it to a border services officer once you arrive in Canada. You will also receive an electronic travel authorization, that is an ETA or a visitor's visa to get into Canada. The letter of introduction will contain information about your ETA. Your ETA will be linked to your passport and will be valid for about 5 years or until your passport expires, whichever comes first. Make sure to travel with the passport that you used to apply for your study permit. At last, if your application gets rejected, don't worry. You will receive a letter stating why. You can also contact the visa office and get more clarity. By now, you must have understood that applying for a study permit in Canada takes a lot of time and you need some guidance. Carry out this process seamlessly. find yourself some expert guidance. Sign up to a Leap Scholar program and get advice by expert counselors. If you found this information useful and if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you and see you next time.